Up first this evening, embattled former Education Minister Ruel Reid has resigned as principal of Jamaica College. The announcement was made this afternoon in a joint statement issued by Mr. Reid and the Jamaica College Board. It said an agreement has been reached for Mr. Reid to demit office effective today. However, details were not provided. The statement said during negotiations, which preceded the resignation, Mr. Reid was represented by his attorney Kwame Gordon. It further stated that, quote, "It is our view that this agreement is in the best interest of the parties, and more importantly, it will allow Jamaica College to focus exclusively on its mandate," end quote. Mr. Reid was appointed principal of Jamaica College in September 2007. However, he obtained a special leave to pursue his duties as Education Minister in March 2016. That special leave expires today, and the school's board and the Ministry of Education had been discussing how to handle the matter following Mr. Reid's corruption case. The Jamaica College Board yesterday confirmed that its recommendation of a 5-year extension of Mr. Reid's special leave was rejected by Education Minister Favour Williams.